Impossible is a word which is rarely used within INEOS. We're young people, young graduates that just want to learn, to contribute, to really achieve. There's always a solution, or we want to always find a solution to problems. And this is what I'm doing on a daily basis. I got involved with INEOS already a while ago, already for my master thesis, and then I continued on a PhD with INEOS. And at the end of my PhD, I started officially working for INEOS in Rolle, Switzerland, as Group Energy Manager. And then I moved to the olefins and polymers business of INEOS in Europe a bit more than a year ago as a carbon and environment specialist. So more looking really on the pure carbon emissions, understanding the footprint and the ways to reduce the emissions of our sites. Sustainability is definitely important. We have our roadmaps, we're looking at technologies, we're investing in projects, etc. So how does it fit with how the business model is going to look like in the next 5-10 years? We can achieve a more circular economy, we can drastically reduce our CO2 emissions. This is something which everyone is aware of and everyone is working towards. The project I'm working on, they're related to a lot of positive difference that we're making in terms of CO2 reductions, talking about millions of tons of CO2 that is removed from the atmosphere, which is significant. And this is not something that I could achieve in a lot of jobs. We like optimization, having lots of data, analyzing that data, making sense out of that data so that you can generate conclusion, results, and then define whatever actions resulting from that data analysis. It also applies to my personal life because I usually have a busy schedule because I do a lot of sport. I also work a lot and I want to have time to spend with my family and with my friends, so I need to have some sort of optimization in there. It's funny because I'm involved with INEOS for a while now and I could really see the evolution from when I started with my master project to where I am now. I've been supported, I think, since day one. I can go and talk to anyone within that building and ask a question about anything, work-related or not. This is something that I can feel on a daily basis. The support is there and that's a really great place to work. I feel it's really a sharing of experience, giving advices, because I want people to grow, I want people to enjoy what they're doing. It's my turn to support people.